Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another edition of Views and Issues. Tonight, we have Professor Travis Prado from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines to hear her comments about the canonization of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. So, Professor?
People, we are going to discuss here about the aftermath and the reactions of the people of the world about the canonization of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. When we talk about canonization, it is about the declaration of a certain person to be a saint. About the reaction, some are shocked, amazed, disappointed, while the other are just give a smile and no comments. Well, based on the situation, it is really shocking. But if we look at the different side of the story, it has a positive impact to the community here in the Philippines, especially to the Filipino people. To think that the Filipino has a newly declared saint, which is a woman. For your information, a person can only be declared saint if he or she has done a miracle, a big miracle. Miracle that a lot of people will benefit from. I will give you some examples of miracles that President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo has done. One of these is that she solved the problem of our country about the shortage of the food. The percentage of the people experiencing a poverty has declined. It is absolutely impossible to do a miracle like that. Also, another miracle is about the election. Her winning an election that leads to other person to criticize and give comment to her throughout her presidency. There are a lot of them, but still, she has her confidence. Other generations have Mother Teresa, a saint, a woman with a helping hand. Now, our generation have President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, a saint with a miraculous hand. And that, ladies and gentlemen, have been proven the events in the past.